In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of astrological progressions. If you're looking to understand how your birth chart evolves over time and reveals your personal growth, this video is for you. Now, we all know that our birth chart is a snapshot of who we are at the moment we're born. But what about the changes that happen throughout our life? Progressions provide us with that key insight. There are different methods for calculating progressions, but the most commonly used one is called the secondary progression. It's based on a simple formula: 1 day after your birth equals 1 year of life. For example, let's say you're 25 years old. You would look at the chart for the 25th day after your birth. The positions of the planets on that day will show the energies influencing you at that age. This method helps reveal the inner evolution of your life. One of the most important progressions to look at is your progressed sun. This is a key indicator of your evolving life purpose. As the sun moves through your chart, it can mark major shifts in direction, goals, and values. For example, if your progressed sun moves into a new sign or house, it could signal a change in your personal mission or the way you express yourself in the world. It's a perfect time to assess where you are in life and whether you're in alignment with your soul's journey. Another powerful progression is your progressed moon. The moon represents your emotional world, instincts, and inner needs. As it progresses through your chart, it signals emotional shifts and growth periods in your life. When your progressed moon moves into a new sign or house, it's like your emotional landscape shifts. It could bring a new focus on your relationships, family, or career, depending on where it lands. This progression shows you how your emotional needs evolve as you grow older. Let's not forget the personal planets. Mercury, Venus, and Mars all have progressed movements that shape your mental world, love life, and energy levels. When Mercury progresses, it indicates changes in your thinking patterns or communication style. Venus, on the other hand, will progress to show you how your approach to love, beauty, and values evolves. And when Mars progresses, it can signal shifts in your drive, energy, and how you assert yourself in the world. So, why do progressions matter? They give us a roadmap of how we change as we grow older, helping us to make sense of the natural cycles of life. You might notice that when certain progressions happen, you suddenly feel drawn to new passions, relationships, or even life paths. Understanding these patterns can give you clarity and help you make empowered decisions in your life. So, to sum it up, progressions in astrology are all about tracking the inner evolution of your soul. They help us understand how our life path and personal growth unfold over time, giving us insights into the timing of key life events and the deeper changes within. I hope this gives you a new perspective on how your astrology chart continues to guide you throughout your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Let me know in the comments if you've ever looked into your progressions before, and if you have, what's been the most impactful one for you?